Alright, today we're here to talk about Level Up Anime and the opportunity that there is in the anime industry in the US in the Oklahoma City market. So what is Level Up Anime? Well, it's going to be a place to find what you're looking for. The anime industry is poorly represented in the Oklahoma City area. The only offerings for merchandise are limited to inadequate selections in big box stores and overpriced products sold in shopping mall boutiques that only offer a slightly better offering. That's where Level Up Anime is going to come in. We're going to offer unique products that are in demand. We're going to offer a more differentiated product mix. We're going to engage in the community and to ensure that we're offering the products that are most highly sought after. But we're not just going to offer t-shirts, keychains, and other places to pick up merchandise. We're also going to offer an immersive atmosphere and social environment. We're going to do this in a coffee shop type atmosphere where patrons will be able to enjoy the company of other enthusiasts while also watching their favorite shows. And this combination of a store and social environment is what's going to provide a needed outlet for this emerging market segment. But what is the market? With the popularity of streaming services, it has created an ease of access to get anime. Crunchyroll is a major player in the U.S. streaming market, and in a report on Digiday from November 2018, they reported 2 million paid subscribers and 45 million total user accounts. That's a significant amount of people that are watching anime and not able to go out and readily find merchandise that they want to purchase. So this ease of access has created an increase in demand, and it's going to continue to increase as access continues to be more readily available. Currently, there's a lack of anime-related products in the industry. There's just not a lot of places you can go and find stuff in our market. And according to the Association of Japanese Animations, or the AJA, which reports yearly on the state of the anime industry as a whole and in Japan, the U.S. is the largest importer of anime. And our merchandising market is just lagging. So what does this mean? With few options, enthusiasts are forced to buy those products that they're looking for from those big box stores that has the limited selection, or head to the shopping mall to get only a slightly better offering. So how is Level Up Anime going to work? Customers are looking for products centered around their favorite anime characters. So that's what we intend to do, is offer these unique products. The t-shirts, the figurines, that are just hard to find in other places. Anything anime will find its way into our inventory. Patrons are already going to be anime enthusiasts, so by offering that coffee shop type atmosphere where they can come and they can sit and they can watch anime, they can make a new social network connections, and they can find their favorites, maybe find a new favorite show, and it won't be anything else like this on the market. Currently, the anime industry engages in conventions, private screenings, or public screenings of limited anime releases in movie theaters or other special events, and to find merchandise and gather with other enthusiasts. Level Up Anime will be a part of this community, and that's going to be a major part of our marketing scheme. We'll be at those conventions, put on those special events to build our brand and reputation within the anime community in the Oklahoma City area. But why do we think this is going to work? Why do we think this is a good opportunity? With increased availability, more demand for products is already there. Customers are tired of not having new merchandise to go and look at. I'm one of those customers. I feel this frustration. By filling this hole in the market, by filling this need, we'll build a brand that the community recognizes for offering those products they cannot find elsewhere. So, who are these people that I'm talking about? They are Crunchyroll CEO Colin Decker stated in an interview in 2017 that the demographics of the viewership of Crunchyroll ages range from 18 to 34 with a slight male bias. And thanks to a healthy economy, that demographic shows good economics in the Oklahoma City area. They're experiencing a favorable employment rate and will have the money to spend on these products. So who's doing this? Who's going to run Level Up Anime? This will be a partnership between my wife and I. I will act as the general manager overseeing in-store operations, and she will be the human resource manager assuming payroll, compliance, and policy functions. I've been an anime enthusiast for over 20 years and have experience in leadership and leading groups and have had those responsibilities throughout my professional career. My wife has had 20 plus years of experience in the human resources, payrolls, and benefits roles, and she knows what it's going to take to maintain all those documents and records necessary to be a successful business. Our combined experience makes us a great team to ensure the venture is successful, but we'll not be able to do this alone. So we intend to create an awesome team of other enthusiasts that are excited about the prospect of bringing these much needed products and services to the anime community in the Oklahoma City area. Okay, so how much is this going to cost? $150,000 is what we are estimating as the initial 6 months of operating cost. We expect to start making profit by the end of the 4th month, but to ensure that we're fully addressing the needs of the customer base, more capital would be helpful. So to get those last couple months, get us into the 6 months in the industry, get our foot really seated, cemented into the community. But how much are we going to need to finance? 50% us, 50% you. We will need an SBA, Small Business Administration loan. Is how we expect to fund the other $75,000 or half of our initial business costs. Will it work? With a growing market, it cannot be denied that the U.S. market is going to increase the availability of content, and it doesn't appear to be slowing down anytime soon. As the market floods with content, so will the demand for a more diverse product mix. The opportunity's there, and for a unique business venture like Level Up Anime to fill that hole in the market. With the right product mix and marketing strategy, profit will come. It's there. The time is now for a business venture to take advantage of this unique emerging market, and that is Level Up Anime. Thank you.